Hello guys, today I'll show you how to clean virus in your PC or make your computer work very fast. So I have 5 points for you today. So first go here and click and type run. Click on it and type the word like I show you here temp T-E-M-P T-E-M-P and click OK. So select all of these. I'm sorry. Control A, select all and delete. Just click, make sure click here and skip. Click again, skip. Again, skip. Okay. One more. Temp. Percentage temp. Type here run. Okay, percentage. T-E-M-P. Percentage. And okay here. And this Control A to select all. And delete. Right click, delete. Make sure you click on this and skip. Click again, skip. And next, prefetch. Click here, type run again. And write the word prefetch. Prefetch. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Prefetch. So here, yeah. And click OK. So Control A to select all, right click, delete. Click on this, skip. And one more. Clean. This is meaning clean drive. In the same, run. Click on here and type the word cleanmgr. Click OK here. So we'll clean dry C mostly because dry C is running program. Dry D is normal. Or you wanna clean again, it's up to you. So click OK. Click all of this. It means we will remove files from this folder. Even recycling bin or and click OK. Delete. Just do waiting. Okay, finish. And you gonna clean dry D again. Run. Cleanmgr again, the same. I want to clean dry D. Click OK. So change this to D and OK. Click. It have only 2 folders. Click on it. Delete. Okay, finish. Turn off this, close this, close this. And the last one, disable apes background. Click here and type the word setting. So here's setting, yeah. Click on it. Click on privacy. Scroll down a little bit. And select background apes. Make sure you turn off this. Make sure you turn off this. This is turn on, turn off. Make sure you turn off this and your computer will work fast. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.